Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the neck relief and basic hardware condition. This tells you what to adjust first. Once done, capo the first fret and press the last fret, then measure the gap at the 7th-9th fret about 0.51 mm is normal. Make sure tuners and screws are snug and note binding at the nut. Next, back the strings off 1 to 2 steps. You need slight slack so you can safely turn the truss rod and move saddles without stress. You now tackle the complex middle steps. Adjust the truss rod in very small increments, 1/8 to 1/4 turns, because little changes have big effects. Once you make a turn, let the neck settle a few minutes and retune, check relief and repeat until you hit the target. Then focus on saddle height for consistent action and adjust intonation by matching the open string to the 12th fret harmonic. Make sure to alternate between tuning, measuring, and small corrections so you don't overshoot. You finish by tuning up and verifying every measurement. Relief, action at the 12th fret, and intonation must all be consistent. Once satisfied, tighten hardware, stretch and retune strings, and trim excess. Make sure you play a few chords and bends to confirm stability. If something goes wrong, buzzing increases, binding at the nut, or relief changes unpredictably, undo the last adjustments, return to the previous stable state, and if uncertainty remains, seek a professional luthier to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.